This tutorial teaches only a small portion of this dance. This is not a tutorial for the full dance.
With your right foot planted out to the right, bend your right elbow to bring your right hand out to the right, palm facing out as you look to the right. Bend your left elbow to bring your left hand to your chest, then bring your right hand to your chest. Look to the left and move your left hand out to the left, keeping your elbow bent, then move your right hand down as you bend your knees slightly. Move your right hand back up and straighten your knees, then repeat the last move again. Repeat all 4 counts in this section. Jump to bring your left foot in a bit and your right foot up as you pull both arms up to the right with both elbows bent, your right elbow angled up and your left elbow angled down. Bring your right foot down over to the left as you move your arms down to the left, then back up to the right. Turn your arms slightly so that your elbows are pointing out to either side as you quickly spin to the left until you are facing the camera again. Jump to move your feet apart as you bend over slightly, look down, and extend both arms straight down. Extend your right arm down to the right, then extend your left arm down to the left. Stand up straight, look at the camera, and put your right hand on your left shoulder, then put your left hand on your right shoulder. Keeping your arms crossed, move your elbows up to point toward the camera, then move them back down, then up, then down again. Put your left hand on the front of your left hip and bring your right fist above your head, elbow slightly bent, as you look at the camera with your chin lowered for 2 counts. Then raise your chin a bit for 2 counts. Repeat these 4 counts. Bend both elbows so that your right forearm is vertical in front of you and your left hand is by your right elbow. Keeping your left forearm horizontal, slide your left hand up the inside of your right arm toward the fingers of your right hand. Turn your arms so that your left forearm is vertical and your right forearm is horizontal. Then slide your right hand down the outside of your left forearm until it is near your left elbow. Switch the positions of your arms so that your right forearm is vertical and your left forearm is horizontal, with your left hand near your right elbow. Then extend your right arm out toward the camera before quickly bending your elbow again. Slide your feet together as you swing both arms down, then out in small circles, keeping your elbows bent. When your arms come back up near your shoulders, quickly extend both arms straight down as you look down and jump to move your feet apart again. Bend your right elbow to bring your fist up near your shoulder, elbow pointed out to the side, then do the same on the left. Look up at the camera as you lower both arms behind your back.